Hi everyone and welcome. Are you dreaming of a stable and fulfilling career serving Government of India? The World of Staff Selection Commission SSC exams might be your perfect gateway. From dynamic departments to prestigious ministries, countless opportunities await ambitious individuals like you. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's begin. Now, before we jump in, let's take a look at the different SSC exams available. We have the prestigious SSC Combined Graduate Level CGL exam for graduates seeking Group B and C posts, the SSC Combined Higher Secondary Level CHSL offering clerical and lower level positions for those who have completed their 12th standard, and the SSC Central Police Organization's CPO exam to land roles like sub-inspectors in CAPS. You can also aim for general duty constable posts in paramilitary forces with the SSC Constable GD exam, or start your government service journey with the SSC Multitasking Staff MTS exam. And remember, these are just a few. There are many more specialized exams catering to specific sectors and skill sets. With so many choices, how do you find the perfect exam for you? The key is to match your qualifications with the eligibility criteria of each exam. What have you studied? What kind of government role sparks your interest and aligns with your career goals? Remember to check the age limit and other requirements too. Finally, familiarize yourself with the syllabus and exam pattern to understand what you'll be tested on. By making an informed decision, you'll be setting yourself up for success. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here are 9 powerful tips and tricks to help you conquer the SSC exams. Before facing any challenge, you need to know your enemy. That's why understanding the exam format, the number of stages, and the marking scheme is crucial. Take a deep dive into the syllabus to identify key topics and their weightage. This will help you prioritize your studies strategically and focus on the areas that matter most. Remember, planning is key. Create a study plan that fits your learning style and dedicates specific time slots for general awareness, core subjects, and practice. Be realistic and consistent, but don't be afraid to adapt your plan as needed. Remember, it's your personalized roadmap to success. A strong foundation is essential for any journey. Master the basic concepts in all subjects before diving into advanced topics. But hey, who doesn't like a shortcut? Learn time-saving techniques and formulas, especially for subjects like quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Remember, practice makes perfect, so apply those shortcuts regularly to become an efficiency expert. Want to feel the pressure of the real exam? Mock tests are your answer. Regularly attempt them to manage time pressure and exam anxiety. Analyze your performance to identify your strengths and weaknesses and learn from the past by solving previous year papers to understand exam trends and question patterns. You don't have to go it alone. Utilize online resources like educational websites, apps, and YouTube channels for study materials, mock tests, and expert tips. If you prefer structured guidance and mentorship, consider joining coaching classes. Find the right fit that aligns with your learning style and budget, and remember, knowledge is power. Strong communication skills are vital for success in any field, and the SSC exams are no exception. Here are some ways to polish your English. Grammar Guru. Practice grammar exercises and refer to reliable grammar books like Wren and Martin. A strong foundation in grammar will help you avoid common mistakes and write clearly. Reading Adventure. Cultivate a habit of reading English newspapers, magazines, and novels. This will improve your vocabulary, comprehension, and understanding of different writing styles. Write it right. Don't just read, practice writing too. Try essays, summaries, and other forms of writing to enhance your written communication skills. The more you write, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Practice makes perfect, and this holds true for SSC exams as well. Regularly solve questions from diverse sources like mock tests, previous year papers, and topic specific exercises. The more you practice, the more familiar you'll become with different question types and the more confident you'll feel during the actual exam. Revision is equally important. Regularly revisit learned concepts and key points to retain information effectively. Don't just cram the night before. Space out your revision sessions across time intervals for better memorization. Your mind and body work together, so taking care of both is crucial for success. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep to boost focus and memory. Regular physical activity not only improves cognitive function but also reduces stress, making you feel sharper and more energized. Eat a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients to nourish your brain and body. Don't underestimate the power of healthy food. Finally, manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. A calm and focused mind is a powerful asset in any exam. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with motivated individuals preparing for the SSC exams. Connect with peers, form study groups, and share experiences. You can learn from each other, motivate each other, and build a strong support system. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from experts like teachers, mentors, or educational counselors. They can offer valuable advice, answer your questions, and help you stay on track. Finally, consider joining online communities or forums to connect with fellow aspirants and share experiences. The power of collaboration is immense. Staff Selection Commission SSC exams open doors to a world of possibilities within the Indian government. Remember, success requires dedication and perseverance, but with the right strategies, you can crack the code and achieve your dreams. Apply what you've learned, work hard, and believe in yourself. Your commitment is the key to paving your path to success. This is just the exciting beginning of your journey. Remember, knowledge leads to action. Start implementing these tips today and get ready to conquer the SSC exams. Thanks for watching. Want to delve deeper into specific Staff Selection Commission exams, preparation strategies, and success stories? Subscribe for more and hit that notification bell to stay updated.